Ha! I doubt that Aaron, the new captain of the Vanguard, a man in grief, is going to waste his time on a grimy outlander.
Aloy! Hey, you're alive! I thought you were dead. Make way, make way!
All the way to Meridian just to see me?
Let's give it a little push.
Tapi kaya banget nggak sih punya emas sebanyak itu.
I did say not to break anything, didn't I?
Demons from beneath the ground. It's a nightmare.
Nightmares, yes. The worst dreams of our enemies come true. Yes. Rise.
Halo teman-teman, balik lagi bareng aku Weda di channel Common Guy. Jadi di video kali ini aku bakal lanjutin game Horizon Zero Dawn. Di episode kemarin kita udah nyampai ke kemana itu namanya? Ke gerbang perbatasan Meridian. Dan sekarang kita bakal pergi ke Meridian. Buat nyari apa gitu, lupa aku. Ya, itulah pokoknya. Lama ya loadingnya. Oke, let's go. Go to Meridian. Bentar, panahnya kemana? Bentar, aku agak-agak lupa gameplay. Ini kan gini, ngeker. Oke, udah. Pakai panah biasa dulu. Dan kita save dulu. Kalau ke atas gimana? Coba dulu.
At least you don't put on airs.
These aren't goods, they're necessities.
Balan.
Captain Balan, the guard at the gate said you'd been to Meridian recently. What can I expect on the trail?
Nothing good. More machines all the time, and our scouts report corruption that way as well. So much for sealing things off. Keep to the roads. They're safe enough. Though after what you did at the gate, I'll wager you don't scare easy. It's a good quality. I could put it to use, if you don't mind a quick jaunt back east. I know it's bold of me to ask a favor after you just did one, but I can offer you answers in return. If there's anything you need to know about the Sundom.
To the point aja lah ya. Malas banget ngeliat story-nya. To the point.
I've got to get going. Thanks for the information.
One moment. If you find yourself heading back toward the Sacred Land, there's something you could do for me. I sent several patrols east when we got word of corrupted machines there. All of them confirmed my fears, so I sealed the gates. But it looks like we left some men behind when they were closed. If you could look for them, I'd appreciate it. Their last known location was near an abandoned Nora village, due east of here.
I'll keep an eye out for them if I'm over that way.
Buy what you need, leave the rest.
Disuruh nyari orang kah?
I've got all the best goods here.
Ada looting. Maling barang orang nggak sih itu namanya? Bentar. Varian banget bajunya sini ya. Beli nggak ya? Bentar. Kayak akurasi lebih bagus ya sih. aku soalnya grip aim banget. Apa ini? Yang ngilangin efek-efek. Yang biasa ya. Yang ini nggak cukup barang. Ini cukup. Silent nggak perlu. Beli ini aja kali ya. Ya jelek sih tampilan bayinya, cuma efeknya itu loh bagus. Kayak semua ngurangin semuanya tuh loh. Ini cuma ngilangin poison doang. Ini es. Aku belum ketemu musuh yang giniin es deh. Udah yang biasa. Tapi akurasi. Bajunya lebih bagus sih. Ini aja kali ya. Nah, equip. Terus apa nih? Chill water. Nggak tahu apa itu. Siapin aja dulu semuanya. Ini yang ketembakan. Keren sih ini. Bentar. Ada yang baru nggak? Nggak cuma listrik doang, bisa ledakan sama api dong kalau rare. Mending beli rare dong kalau kayak gitu. Ya udah, nggak usah beli yang hijau-hijau nih, jelek.
Yeah, this is useful.
Oke. Kostum baru kita.
Suspicious of outsiders. I suppose they had good reason.
Looting dulu. Siapa tahu ada sesuatu. Kan ada. Bentar. Ayo. Salah terus, nekan X terus tadinya. Pick all.
It's not what I imagined.
The world beyond the sacred land. I need to find Olin and learn everything he knows. Who the killers were, how they saw me through his focus, who the woman is, one who looks like me, why they want me dead. Olin's trail leads to Meridian. When I catch him, he will talk. And he will pay for all the lives he's ruined.
Lewat mana nih? Mau explore dulu soalnya, jadi kayak lewat sana deh. Jadi
So much for being careful.
explore ke sini dulu. Lebih lama malah. BTW kakinya tebal banget. Sepatu bootsnya dah. Jalannya malah ke sini. Berarti itu ada sesuatu di sana nggak sih? Coba bentar ya, bentar. Aku mau coba ke sana dulu. Nyari item. Siapa tahu ada, nggak tahu kan ya. Sama aja kah? Alah, sama aja.
Tasty.
Tasty. What? What's that? Nggak bisa di-scan dari sini lagi. Apa tuh? Oke. Quick save. Itu baikkah atau jahat? Stormbird. Keren. Kita kemana? Ke bawah. Itu baik tuh jahat sih. Takut. Lagunya langsung mengancam. Oh enggak lah. Trampler. Mumpung di atas, coba serang aja kali ya.
Quiet does it. Down you go.
Sini. Kabur ya. What? What the? Bentar, kasih aku. Apa nih tiba-tiba ada es? Apaan nih? Bentar. Santai bang. Bentar bang. Untung di sini jatuhnya ya. Nah, aku harus balas dendam. Gara-gara burungnya itu, sumpah dah. Mana burung itu? Itu yang nyerang aku. Ya kayaknya itu yang nyerang aku deh. Bunuh burungnya dulu di atas dah. Bawa ke atas ya.
I'm gonna prove myself in these trials. I should do it fair and square.
Beda ini. Gila, nggak kerasa apa. Mana dia? Mana sih dia? Muak sih. Listrik lemah sama apa ya? Weakness S. Yang burung tadi nggak ada kelemahannya. Punya panah es nggak punya? Jangan ada dulu. Belum punya sesuatu tentang es.
Fresh as it comes.
BTW jauh banget ya. Oh, ini ada nih. Oke. Apaan tuh? Oh, ada penjaga masih di sini. Nongkrong doang penjaganya. Nah, itu. Ada berapa? 1, 2. Ada tempat sembunyi nggak? Dia tempat sembunyi. Ketinggian. Ada buaya. Udah, main mission dulu. Nanti explore-nya. Oh, ada orang. Oh, si dia lagi.
Stay low, girl, or you'll spoil the fun.
Fun?
Everyone has their reasons. Maybe you kill because you're compelled. I understand. Had a partner who'd weep at the feel of an arrow striking home. While we hunted the bandit scum, his eyes will never dry.
Then you're a manhunter. Some kind of mercenary?
Call me Nil. I've found where there is strife, there's bandits, picking the bones of the innocent. Then whoever they can catch, then each other. But why wait? You and I could work together. Kill them all. What do you say?
I don't know you, and I have no reason to trust you.
Trust is a rare egg to find, isn't it? I'm just a traveler, with a bow, a concern about the state of these lands, and a missing partner.
I don't think you're just anything at all.
Let me put it another way. Are you a bandit?
Of course not.
Then you have nothing to fear from me.
All right. Someone has to stop them from hurting others.
And we will. We'll stop them from doing anything. Save screaming a while. Go ahead and take the lead. I look forward to seeing what you're capable of.
Set mission baru ya. Set mission baru. Bentar. Entah tadi dia bilang kayak nyelamatin sesuatu, nyelamatin dari orang-orang yang menyakiti sesama. Apaan itu? Bentar. Baru punya api sama listrik aja, nggak usah dah. Jangan dilawan, susah. Meridian. Bentar, tempat sih. You know what I think? Yes, you know it. Let's go.
Thing is huge and built to fight.
What the? Lepas dulu senjata semua. Dia gak punya senjata dia. tempat save lagi.
Here we go.
Gelap banget. Malah ngandang di sana. Awas.
During Jiran's reign, I was afraid the Oseram.
I'm sorry for the wait, but all goods entering the city are subject to search.
This is outrageous. We're loyal
Baja,
citizens.
babi
Why do
baja
we have to
itu.
wait? What am I supposed to do? Just sit here and let everything spoil?
I thought Meridian was open to all cargo.
What happened to Ursa has nothing to...
What's going on here? Olin's in there, somewhere. And so's Erend, that other Outlander I talked to the night before the proving. Erend said he'd introduce me to his sister if I visited Meridian. Said she was captain of the Vanguard.
It's always the merchants who suffer.
Halt! Stop right there. In light of the recent attack, no stranger passes into Meridian without submitting to search.
Recent attack? What are you talking about?
The murder of Captain Ursa and her vanguards, of course. Ambushed by Shadow Carja forces in Redridge Pass.
Ursa? You mean Erend's sister is dead?
How would you know his name?
I know Erend. Summon him. I need to speak to him.
Ha! I doubt that Erend, the new captain of the Vanguard, a man in grief, is going to waste his time on a grimy outlander.
Aloy, hey, you're alive. I thought you were dead. Make way, make way.
All the way to Meridian just to see me?
Have you been drinking?
Not really. A little. So you're alive. This we should celebrate. The drink's on me.
We need to talk alone, and you need to pull it together.
Over there.
So you approve?
Of course I approve. From now on, she may come and go from this city as she pleases.
As you wish, sir.
There. Alone as you asked. And what did you want to tell me?
Pertanyaan macam apa nih? Why I'm here?
A lot has happened since we last spoke. The proving was
Oh, bukan pertanyaan.
attacked by a group
Kasih
of
tahu
killers.
kenapa alasannya
Not
dari
many of
sini.
us survived.
We were in the village when we heard explosions up on the mountain. And some of your braves came back, said most of the contestants were dead. I've never heard such a wail of grief as the sound that rose up from your people. How did you survive?
How I survived is less important than how I was targeted.
Targeted? What do you mean?
The killers came for me because of Olin.
What are you talking about? That doesn't make sense.
I need to find Olin. I need to know what he knows.
But he's a friend.
No, he's a traitor. I don't know who the killers are or what they want, but I do know that Olin is working with them.
But, I mean, this...
I don't need you to understand Erend. I just need you to take me to him.
He's not here. He went scrounging for scrap and relics days ago. It could be anywhere.
Are there any places he frequents, places he returns to?
A house. Here in Meridian.
Okay, then take me there. I need to search it.
I
Kalian
guess.
kebingungan dia.
As long as I'm there to witness the search.
Nggak tahu apa-apa tentang Olin.
I heard what happened to Ursa. I'm sorry. I know she was special to you.
Special to me? Special to everyone. She always knew what to do. She bossed everyone around. She kept me in line. Now I'm supposed to fill her shoes. And instead, here I am, stumbling around in them.
Stop feeling sorry for yourself. I lost someone too.
I lost someone too. At the Proving, the man who raised me. His name was Rost.
That's terrible. Why is it every time something terrible happens, everyone else tells you the worst thing that ever happened to them, as though that makes it easier?
Yeah, why is that?
Anyway, there was something you wanted to tell me?
I need to see Olin's place. Now.
Okay. Come on.
Damn it.
BTW sepatunya sama ya kayak sepatu kita ya.
Talking at once.
Emang sepatunya ini kah?
I don't. I just drink.
That girl. Is she Nora?
Apparently they're letting anyone into the city these days.
Take a look at these wares.
Vengeance for Ursa! How long will Avad hide in his blood for blood? Vengeance for Ursa! How long will Avad hide in his palace?
Year after year, why does he spare those who enslaved and tortured and butchered? Erend, you should want vengeance more than anyone. Your own sister, murdered, and her death, unavenged?
One more word, you scorched out slag, and I'll throw you in jail myself! Now get out of here, or I'll give you all a kick in the ass!
What did he mean about Ursa's murder?
Not now.
Ada pembunuhnya Ersa berarti, maksudnya pembunuhnya Ersa seolah-olah kayak ada di kota itu dan semua orang ngeprotes pengen balas dendam.
Here we are. Try not to break anything. Other than the door.
All of this for one man.
It pays to have connections in the Sun King's court.
This rug is frayed. Everything near it is worn. Let's see what's underneath.
Hey, how did that get here?
Question is, how to get through it.
Without a key, you won't. That's a vault hatch of Oseram make. Nothing gets through.
We'll see about that.
I don't think you're getting through that hatch.
Kita tanya-tanya dulu.
Are you sure?
Kalau di skip kayak nggak tahu ceritanya jadinya.
Sober enough, all right. I don't need another lecture.
That's not what I meant. I was talking about what happened outside with the crowd.
Apa yang terjadi di luar?
I don't want to talk about that.
Dia nggak mau ngasih tahu.
We're here because of what you said about Olin. So do what you need to do.
Dia cuma mau, ya kalau misalnya mau nyari Olin ya Olin aja fokus gitu dia bilang.
Did Olin ever invite you in?
Nah. Closest I got was a doorstep to help him home after a night
Olin
out.
nggak pernah ngizinin dia masuk.
Drank a river that night.
Si Eren masuk ke tempatnya dia.
Usually.
You said Olin has connections in the royal court. Does he know the Sun King personally?
Sun King.
No. He served the court as a scout sometimes and sold ancient trinkets to nobles, but he never had an audience with the king. If you're right, and Olin's into something dark, Sun King Avad has nothing to do with it. I'd stake my life on that.
I'll look around.
That's what we came for. Call it a day, girl. You're wasting time.
Sabar.
It looks like a picture of Olin's family.
Cuma itu aja. Terus kemana dong? Find a way to break in. How? Bentar. Kayak ada sesuatu di balik foto itu nggak sih?
It looks like a picture of Olin's family.
Apa Anda? Nggak ada sesuatu lagi. Please. Something. Oh. Nggak kelihatan.
Looks big and heavy. Could do a lot of damage if it fell down.
Okay.
Let's give it a little push.
Tapi kaya banget nggak sih punya emas sebanyak itu.
I did say not to break anything, didn't I?
Udah di bawah aja.
Serve and they live. Disobey and I will open their throats and leave their corpses to prune in the sun.
Dia diancam. Olin diancam kah?
They took his wife and child captive.
They? Who's they?
The killers. They told him to obey or they'd kill his family.
Diancam sama the killers.
A map. The glyphs show places he visited. Looks like Olin kept a journal.
Olin? I knew he could read contracts, but I never took him for a poet.
No doubt now. Olin knew I was targeted. There's your proof. Read the last page. He writes about meeting me and the order to kill me.
He called himself a friend. That backstabbing cheat. How did you learn to read glyphs? And these things that you see, how do you do it?
The focus. It reveals the unseen.
And Olin's focus, it's the same?
The device is the same, but somehow Olin and the killers can speak to each other with their focuses over distances, and see through each other's focuses too, like looking through each other's eyes.
So that's how the killers saw you? Through Olin?
Yes, so far as I can tell. Now that I know where to find Olin, I should be on my way.
All by yourself?
Leave it to me. I'm faster on my own.
Wait. If that device lets you see the unseen...
Out of the way, Erend.
I'm asking you to help me, Aloy. I need to know who killed Ursa. Not just the Shadow Carja army, I know that, but the exact soldiers who did it.
I'm sorry about your sister, but that's your war, not mine.
Don't act like this isn't personal. You came here hunting the people who nearly killed you, who massacred your people. Why should you have justice and not me? Look, I'll head for Red Ridge Pass, where Ursa's body was found, and wait for you there. A few minutes of your focus is all I need. Don't make me beg.
Red Ridge Pass, you said? I'll see what I can do.
Ya sih, masa si Eren udah bantuin si Aloy buat nyari tahu tentang si Olin, si Aloy nggak mau bantu, but ego banget ego.
Place. Smells like nothing I've ever smelled before.
You're an outlander.
Some kind of
Nora
space?
from the look of you. I'll bet you're a machine hunter too.
I've hunted my share.
Well, let me give you a word of advice. Don't bother with the Hunter's Lodge. If you're not Carja, you'll never rise in the ranks.
Hunter Lodge.
What's wrong with the hunting lodge exactly?
Nothing, if you like stuck-up bigots. I'm known as a skilled hunter back home in Banur, so I thought I'd try my luck at the lodge. I thought it'd be simple. Hunt machines, gain ranks, see who's best. But it doesn't work like that at all. It's all rigged to keep the Carja at the head of the line. I don't need those snobs to tell me I can hunt. I'm going home.
Are you saying that you have to be Carja to join the lodge?
No, they take other tribes. But they have rules in place to keep outlanders from gaining ranks. When Sun King Avad took over, he promised
Ada
the new day,
ranking gitu
Meridian
ya?
open to all. But it's a sham. Sure, you can get a seat at the feast, but you just can't eat the food.
Sounds like someone needs to shank things up at the lodge.
Maybe, but it isn't gonna be me. If you decide to go, be sure to give them a good old-fashioned Banuk farewell mark in my honor.
A Banuk farewell mark. What's that?
Piss on the floor. Preferably someplace they won't find it until it gets nice and sour.
Banyak banget sih misi-misi yang aku terima tapi nggak pernah aku selesaikan. Jelas sih. Itu di mana itu? Gelap banget tempatnya kelihatan.
Be the spire. It's huge.
Able-bodied adventurers. Oi there, Outlander. Name's Vilgun.
Vilgun.
Did you come to the city looking for work? Oh, good shards. Enough to buy garb more becoming of your...
Okay, stop there if you want me to hear you out.
I only meant a well-molded woman such as you. I heard an interesting rumor about a Banuk camp. Tame machines, the rumor said.
Tame machines.
So I hired men to investigate. Just investigate, that's all. Those Banuk are canny. Too canny.
Canny? Apa canny?
I paid up front. Well, half up front. I've had no word back.
So now you're hiring someone to find the last men you hired.
They're a sunk cost. This rumor's worth more to me.
So is there any more to the rumor about this camp?
The last bunch just wanted to know about the reward. Hey, you're a smart one. This camp isn't even big enough for a name up where the snow won't thaw. They say the Banuk there live alongside machines. Peaceful as you like. Keep them, use them, sing to them. If it's true, if we learned how they do it, think how valuable that would be to all the tribes.
When you say valuable, you mean they'd pay you for it.
Girl, I'm not made of straw.
What can you tell me about the Banuk?
The Banuk women. Snow witches all. Cold eyes, cold...
Which?
They choose to live
Snow
up
witch?
there in Ban-Ur, in the ice. Trying to have a conversation, it's like chipping them out of the stuff. They prefer machines for company. That's why I'm putting my shards on this rumor.
Then they might not want outsiders to know about this place.
Their mystic act. No care for possessions, for luxuries. Pile of slag. Those people bargain harder than the winter frost.
Are you some kind of merchant? You don't seem to have any wares.
More of an explorer.
But you send other people to do your exploring.
All right, more of an opportunist. Girl. Nora girl. Huntress. We live in a world of opportunities. Risky opportunities. But why should risk stand in the way of a lucrative prospect for the likes of me? All right. I'm more of a gambler.
If I did look into your rumor...
You won't need to climb up the shoulders of the world for it. It's on the edge of Banuk land, beneath the anvil of the moon. And you look like you know your way around the savage east. The east. If it's true they walk among machines without fear in this camp.
Kayak dia mau ngasih tahu-tahu ya.
You can't
Nggak
miss
jadi
that,
gitu.
can you? Payment on return.
Well then.
Let's have a chat. No, Connor?
Apa nih? Cuma gitu. Kemana sih? Bingung jadinya. Oke. Kendaraanku udah hilang ya. Ngapain? Ah. Kita save dulu.
Glad I stopped for a bit.
the city of the sun. Find Olin at excavation site. Sumpah, tempatnya nggak kelihatan apa.
Don't bother me, Outlander. I don't need a mercenary. I need a miracle. Someone who can tell me who slaughtered my men.
Belum juga ngomong.
I'm a good tracker. Maybe I can help. What happened?
Mass murder. That's what. 5 night guards shredded like cabbage out there in the quarry.
That guy.
5 men murdered? How?
Don't know. One was a buddy from before the liberation. We worked this quarry together as slaves for the Mad King. My friend, may he walk forever in the light, knew how to fight. Fiends who did this must have had stealth or numbers.
Could machines have killed them?
Don't see how. The quarry is fenced and gated, and I've never seen a Glinthawk do anything like this.
Anything strike you as strange or out of the ordinary?
Well, let's see, oh yeah, chunks of corpses, gushing blood. Sorry. Pressure's getting to me. Not used to murder. Nah, nothing unusual. Well, except we've been doing a little blasting lately, and Saravad said, no, that's just stupid.
You've been using explosives?
Sure. To clear away bedrock and get to the good stuff, we do it for a week or so every year. But that's got nothing to do with the dead. They were torn apart, not blown up.
Torn apart. Kepisah?
What exactly did Saravad say?
Ah, nothing. Kept babbling about a pile of rocks out there. Said he didn't remember it from yesterday. I told him that this here is a quarry, where we move rocks all day. So rocks getting moved ain't so surprising, lunkhead.
I'll have a look around the quarry.
If you think it'll help.
Long leg. Long leg. Long leg tahu nggak sih? Atau baru itu? Nggak tahu. Sumpah gelap banget. Tidakkah bisa lebih gelap daripada ini? Banyak ada long leg sini ya. Ambil dulu. Takutnya nanti nggak bisa farming nanti. Snap mau. Kelemahannya api. Berapa ada nih? Wah, banyak nak. Bentar, orang-orangnya di mana? Orang-orangnya di sana. Oke, mumpung udah lagi. Sabi nga sih. Ngamuk. Nice. Meledak kau. Udah mati 2 loh.
Keep that for later. Look at the jaws on that thing. I could snap a sawtooth right in half.
Jangan main dekat. Muak banget dah. Kayak gitu caranya, spam api. Tapi kayak ada nggak bakal nganggu dah kalau semua dulu.
Come on.
Emang senang cari masalah. Muak banget cok, sumpah dah. Pengen sebenarnya bunuh kalau lawan satu lawan satu ya. Bergerombol males banget. Bisa juga apa nih? That's what I mean. 1 lawan 1 udah tak basmi dari tadi, sumpah. Farming ini aja dah.
Stocking up.
Jahat lagi. Ini kah? Oh iya, kan kita masuk ke markas musuh ya. Pantesan ada banditnya tuh.
Here. Shadow gun.
Gimana caranya? Oh, bisa ke sana. Tualin. Itu dia. Itu bosnya kah? Oh, enggak.
This is what you intend. To bring these ancient things back to life.
Their power
Ya, itu pemimpinnya.
Machine demons from beneath the ground. It's a nightmare.
Nightmares. Yes, the worst dreams of our enemies come true. Yes, rise.
For catching him alone.
These things will destroy us all.
They will only destroy our enemies and bring us back the lands that were taken.
My fingers stop working.
Search the area. We may have intruders.
Forgive this intrusion, Aloy. You left me no choice.
Who is this?
An interested party. Now their focuses are disabled, but I don't know for how long. The rest is up to you.
Who is this?
Siapa tuh?
Nora girl lives?
Kill her! No, you had your chance.
Don't mind me.
Weaknessnya api. Oke. Spam api aja terus. Oke, bunuh orangnya dulu, baru bunuh mesinnya. Oke, kayak gitu strateginya.
Girl lives.
Kill her! No, you had your chance.
Susah ya. Bentar. Gimana caranya ya? Langsung bosnya tak bunuh. Mana kau? Nggak nyampe nak. Hancur. itu lebih sakit. Mumpung dia diam di sana. Oke.
That'll help.
Kok dia diam sih? Ya udahlah, yang penting selesai aja.
Not done yet.
Oke, bagus Otis. Kok Otis sih? Olin. Jadi lupa. Oke. Akhirnya
Hear me out.
I'd have to leave something else behind.
I promise. I'll tell you everything.
I know you will. The killers who came for me at the Proving, who are they?
The Eclipse. Some kind of holy
Holy
warriors.
warrior.
A cult of the Shadow Carja.
Shadow Carja?
Except they're not like any Carja I've known. They don't pray to the sun. They worship some kind of devil.
I'm not interested in their superstitions.
Oh, it's not a superstition. Their devil is real. It has a name, a voice. The most terrible voice. And they do its bidding.
You say this devil the Eclipse worship has a name?
Hades. That's what they call it.
Hades. And you've heard it speak?
Steel to my soul. I heard. Just once, when it saw you. Such a voice. A cold, awful jangle. It scrapes your bones. It hollows your guts. A metal sound, but like nothing dug from the earth or smelted in a forge.
And what did it say?
System threat detected. Just 3 words. But in the voice of a devil.
What are these Eclipse cultists after besides me?
They never said. But given the Carja civil war, they must want to overthrow Sun King Avad and take Meridian back.
What do I have to do with that?
I don't know.
When they attacked the Proving, a man came for me. Tall, strong, dead eyes.
Helis.
And who is he?
The Terror of the Sun.
Terror of Sun.
Stacker of corpses, we Oseram called him, when he was the Mad Sun King's champion. If only he'd died with his king. But now he leads the Eclipse. I tell you, he's the most dangerous man alive.
How did the Eclipse recruit you? I know they took your family hostage, but why you?
I was a scrounger, a rummager in dark places, good at what I do. I suppose they knew I would serve them well as a scout. I had taken a delve near Maker's End. When I surfaced, they were waiting. I laughed when I saw the priest. But then he showed me Helis's encouragement. I didn't laugh after that. They gave me a focus to watch my every move. I followed orders.
You had access to Meridian. Why didn't they get to Avad through you?
Too much dirt under my nails for an audience with the one true Sun King. But whatever Ursa or Aaron told me, the Eclipse heard every word through my focus. That's why I couldn't warn you. If I'd tried, they would have killed my family.
Why are the Eclipse digging up ancient machines? And how do they get them to work?
I thought they wanted them for scrap, but they brought them back to life. Plugged some kind of device into the corpses so that Hades could whisper to them and call them from their grave.
I've fought that kind of machine before. Are there others?
Yes, the ones you fought today they called corruptors, but there are others, much bigger, bristling with ancient weapons. Those they call Deathbringers. I've only seen them buried in the ground, but after today, anything is possible.
Sounds to me like they're raising an army.
If so, the world will fall. And I helped dig the pit.
The Eclipse were sent to kill me because I look like another woman. Older, maybe twice my age, short hair. Who is she?
I don't know. My focus found her image once, in the ruins at Maker's End. Maybe you can find her there.
You found her image in the ruins? How?
There was a door. Beside it, a kind of ancient device that contained the woman's image. My focus recorded the location. You do look like her. Is she your mother?
I'm the one asking questions. I've heard enough. It's time to finish this.
I won't beg for my life. But if there's any mercy in you, free my family. Please.
Where would I find them?
My focus recorded the location. There are always guards there. You look like you can handle yourself.
It will take many good deeds to make up for the crimes you've committed.
You're sparing me? After all I've done?
Yes. Forge a new life, Olin. One of better make.
Then the rest of my life will be lived in your debt.
Go to the place where your family is being held and wait for me. We'll make their lives the first ones you save.
I didn't earn this mercy, but I will die to make myself worthy of it. I will be waiting for you.
That's better. Oke. Sangat pertarungan yang sangat sengit. Capek udah ya. Oke. Kita lanjut aja di next episode. Kita udah ngetahuin apa maksud dibalik penyerangannya si Olin. Maksud enggak kayak ada. Kayak belum. Kayak lebih kayak dia ngasih tahu tentang siapa ini siapa itu, tapi masih nggak tahu tujuannya sebenarnya apa, dan cewek yang di mirip kayak si Elo itu siapa masih nggak tahu. Dan sekarang kita harus pergi buat nyelamatin keluarganya Olin dari Sandra si geng killer. Oke, see you di next video and bye bye.